Hi, this is Kishore. Welcome to my channel. I am going to teach you C language and Python. Please subscribe my channel. Dear students, in last lesson we discussed data types into 2 up to bytes array. 6 topics are completed. Next, Python data types part 4. So in this we will discuss list. List objects can be created by using square brackets. List objects are mutable objects. In this, data can be modified. Insertion order is preserved. Insertion order is preserved. Means data comes in order. Duplicate values are allowed. So in this, duplicate values are allowed. Next, heterogeneous elements are allowed. Heterogeneous means different type of data allowed. Homogeneous elements are allowed. Homogeneous means same type of data allowed. Next, list supports both positive and negative index. Positive index starts from 0, negative index starts from 1. Every element in the list represents with unique index. Next we will discuss different types of methods in list. Let's see the program. Print A, print type A. No elements is there, so here looking empty. Next, print len B is equal to list, print B. There is no elements in the B, so it's looking empty. Next, C is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Insertion order is preserved. At the same time, homogeneous elements allowed. So here, same type of data allowed. Next, D is equal to 10, 12.12, true, 3 plus 4j, name. This is different types of data allowed. At the same time, heterogeneous data is allowed. So here, different type of data allowed. See here, 10 is an integer, 12.12 is a float, true is bool, 3 plus 4 is JB form, complex, here name, string. Next, print D, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4. Here, duplicate values are allowed. So 1, 1, 2, 2 are duplicates. Different types of methods in list. Append, clear, count, index, insert, pop, remove, reverse, sort, extend. These are different types of methods in list. Let's see. First one, append. It is used to add new element at end of list. Clear. It is used to empty list. Count. This method counts number of occurrence of a particular item in a list. Index. This method uses lowest index of given elements. Insert. This method used to add a new item into list a particular index. Pop. This method deletes the elements of given index. It deletes last item. We do not pass index. Next, remove. Remove function is used to delete the item. Reverse. Reverse function is used to reverse the entire element of list. Sort. This function sorts the list by using this function. We can display the item in ascending order to descending order. Extend. This function is used to join the two lists. We will see the deep explanation in programs. See the list program. X is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 10. Print x. X dot append 50. Print x dot append 100. So here already we discussed what is append. Append means new element is added end of the list. Here 50 and 100 is added. See here, print x dot count 10. Count means number of elements repeated in x. Next, print x dot index. Here, the position of this number. Okay, what is the position? Position is third position. Means x is equal to 10, 20, 30. So count starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. So third position 40. See here, y is equal to x. H dot copy means we are copying the hex data. Here insert means we are inserting 123 in second position. We are inserting 123 in second position. Hex dot remove. What we are removing? 40. We are removing 40 from hex elements. Pop deletes the last item. We are taken index position 3. So third element is removed. Or what if we take fourth element will remove. Extend. We are extending the values 80, 70, 90. It will extend here beside 10 or what is the value is there. That value beside these values are extended. Clear. Clear is used to make list. See the output x value 10, 20, 30, 40, 10. Next 50 is added. Next 100 is added. Next count. Here asking tens. So there are two number of tens. So we get output 2. Next here asking index value. So index value is position. Position means it counts from 0, 1, 2, 3. So 40th position is third. So here output is 3. Next copy. Here we need hex data, we need to write here same thing. Here 123 is added in second position. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. So second position 123 is added, inserted 123. Next remove 40. We need to remove the 40. Here 40 is removed. There is no 40 in output. Here pop 3 means we need to remove the data. Which data? Third position data. Here third position is 30. 0, 1, 2, 3. So third position is 30. Here 30 is removed. We get the output without 30. Here Z values are printed in output 80, 70, 90. Next need to extend the same values. Here values are extended after 100. So this function displays ascending order to descending order. Reverse. All the elements are displayed in reverse. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, subscribe.